What is Ihram? Ihram is a sacrosanct state that a pilgrim must enter into in order to validly perform Hajj or Umrah. Ihram imposes a number of conditions on the pilgrim, which vary slightly according to gender. In addition, Ihram magnifies the seriousness of deeds. Through it, the piety of a pious act will garner more reward, and the sin of a sinful act will become more perilous. Restrictions of Ihram that are universal to both genders: removing hair, nails, or skin, combing the hair, or performing basic grooming becomes unlawful. It becomes a sin. Applying anything with scents or oil, grease, lotion, ointment, or balm, whether or not it is scented, also becomes unlawful, although there is an exception in this, in particular to the cracks that develop in the heels or on the foot. You can put something like a scent-free petroleum jelly or grease in the foot in order to soothe those cracks. But other than that, anything else of the like is unlawful and will violate ihram. Any speech, looking, listening, touching, or other contact, even thought about the opposite gender in any way other than that which is necessary and completely free of any sexuality at all. But even the non sexual affection which typifies the relationship between a husband and wife becomes unlawful between them. This is especially perilous as intercourse, masturbation, orgasm, or ejaculation, except for that which is completely involuntary, like what happens when a person is asleep. All of these things will render the entire Hajj irreparably invalid, as well as impose extremely harsh penalties on the pilgrim in order to expiate them from the enormity of the violation. Even short of that, any action including the otherwise innocent affection or flirtation between husband and wife are all sins until ihram is released. All avoidable disputation, negativity, and antagonism is likewise unlawful. It's a sin and should not occur in ihram. This includes matters in which one is typically within their rights to prosecute their right, like complaining about lousy service or bad prices. Killing wildlife. This extends to those outside of the state of ihram while in the haram, the sacred boundary that surrounds Makkah Mukarramah, on all sides as well. This excludes the slaughter of domesticated animals, but includes all wildlife, fauna, and flora. In general, there is a recommendation to preserve the state of dishevelment and not pay attention to one's aesthetics while in ihram for both genders as well.